Can you actually earn money by viewing advertisements? In this video, I'm gonna do a full review and tutorial of this website. My honest feedback of this website, if it is legit or if it is a scam. Because a lot of people are throwing numbers that you can make $800 or $1,000 or like $50 per day. But I feel like this is not the greatest way to go about it. But there's a way to make money from this website. But it is not necessarily the way that most people think. Let's talk about Ojooo Wad. Ojooo Wad is a way that you can earn money by viewing advertising, watching ad. See over here, you can get up to 4 cents per click. It is not only clicking. Usually you have to stay at least 30 seconds on it. Let's actually jump into the platform and see. Sign up. You're gonna sign up. You're gonna enter in your username, your password, your email, and then sign up. Let's go and jump into the platform. Okay, so once you sign up, they're gonna send you a verification code. You go to your email and copy and paste that verification code. Once you get in, the website is a little bit complicated to understand, and I'm gonna try to guide you through and what is worth it and what is not worth it, so you don't waste your time. So in this section, you see 0.01 cent for a click. The one that pays you 0.05 cents, it's for premium only. So it would take you 3 to 4 months just to earn from this website. And honestly, I'm just gonna say it is not worth it. This website is not worth your time. There is an option over here that if you go into your Ojooo Wad, you can rent referrals. I do not believe that you should pay to earn money. There's also a section where you like kind of gamble in traffic exchange, in coin flip. Gambling is just like playing game. Personally, not really worth it. Ojooo Grid, anything that you have to buy, it's not worth it. You can earn points and clicks on this website. 1 point it worth 0.05 cent. Let's see over here. If you earn 100 points on 0.05 cents, so you would earn 50 cents by doing these ones. So sign up and surveys might be worth your time, but the click ones, they're definitely not worth it. You can cash out your funds. You can put in your Bitcoin address, you would put in your information, and you can cash out. So the first cash out is $2, but the after that is $6. And you're seeing your earning 0.001 cent or 0.005 cents, let's say, on the higher end. It's still gonna take you a very, very long time to earn any significant amount of money on this type of website. So it's really, really not worth it. There's plenty of methods that I've talked about on my channel, like user testing, try my UI. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for those methods that you can earn $10 USD to your PayPal just by reviewing websites. So it's a little bit more effort, but you earn more.